I can get the socket in to start it. Nope. What about there? This one at level, that's fine, I can start that. Can I get this one on here? Is it? No, I want it on there. Don't know if I'm going to get that on there, that's the thing. There we go. Sore finger. Right. I don't know if that's going to help work or whatever, but let's see. Is it going to work? Right. Because I can't put them on that bottom bit, obviously, because of the cup where it sits. So. I do not like springs. If I can get this started or not, it feels. It's going. Right. Probably need better spring thingy, longer ones. There's a bit of tension on it. Remember to pull the shocker up as well. Forgot this as well, didn't I? Need to put this on there. Anything else I need to remember? No, let's get that up and then put on this here, right. It should just sit on the bottom bit. I don't want to tension it as far as I need to tension it. I don't want to tension it any tighter than I need to. So how are we looking here? So we've got about another, say, an inch or so. And I can get the thread started on the top bit. Right. So if I can get this on here, keep thinking I've missed something. Oh, yeah, obviously that. So boot, and there's the little notch which is there, like the one there, and you need to make sure that's right up, and then just slide that over. Sometimes the shocker drops down. We can just hold that in there like that, and then remember, really need that up. Actually need it tensioned a bit more, thinking on it. Right, because that it's not really leaking through the top yet, so I need another inch, say. Right. So I can get that in there. So that comes through there, and then put this up, this on. That's going to take more space up, isn't it? No, wait a minute.